everyone, it's me Karen, and I just wanted to come on here for a quick moment to let you know something about the upcoming video. I found this on an old disc that I was about to reuse and delete and stuff like that, and I realized that I had a couple of recordings on here that I did not process for my YouTube channel. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So if you don't mind, I'm going to share these with you, and I hope that you can still enjoy them. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, it's me Karen, and today I want to talk to you about some of the new products that Born Pretty store is coming out with. Recently I was contacted by Sarah, and she asked if I would be interested in taking a look at their new packaging and bottling of their polishes. And they've also come out with a whole bunch of new polishes for this big event. Unfortunately, I did not receive these items until just a day or two ago, and most of the promotions are over, so I'm sorry I can't share that with you, but I still think some of these things are really cool and want to share them with you. Two of the things that I have right here are magnetic polishes, and they are labeled as 3D magnetics. Both of them are from the Aurora series. Not sure if we can get that to focus in here. Aurora, this one is Lightening, and this one is Aurora Borealis. And like I said, they are magnetic, and they are absolutely beautiful in the bottle. And I have to say that I think their bottles now are really, really pretty. Let's see if I can get this one open. Alright, you can see that this has a beautiful shift in it. A bluish with purple and magenta. And these bottles are 6 milliliters, a little bit on the small side for my liking, mostly because I'll take a whole lot of this bottle on doing one manicure with my really long nails. But I think these bottles are beautiful. I love the little gold trim around it and the gold lettering that complements it all. And there's also labeling on the bottom what the shade is. Alright. Looks like they have a number as well, BPMA06, Aurora Borealis. And then the other one is this one here, and I did swatch this one. Whoops. BPMA02 Lightening. Copper with a little bit of a gold and olive green shift, and I did one of those new flower magnets on this one. Shout out to Gigi. Anyway, isn't that pretty? But what I want to show you today is this one that I have on my nails right now. It is a stunner. Absolutely a stunner. I am not catching it right here in these this lighting that I have here, but I tell you, it is something else. And here it is. Look at it in the bottle. It's spectacular. See the hollow glitters and the chameleon shift. This beauty is called Flower in the Sunshine Series, Young, BPFS03. Oh, it is just so gorgeous. Anyway, I've got 3 coats on my nails here. It is still rather sheer for, you know, the nail line, above the nail line, but it is still so pretty, so sparkly. In driving to work today, I was highly distracted. Anyway, I thought I would show you what it looks like going on one of my nails. Let's zoom in. Great. I have 3 coats on my nails, and so we'll do 3 coats. And as you can see, this is the first coat. And by the way, if you're wondering, I'm starting off with 2 coats of Peelies on clean dry nails. Soap and water clean dry nails. And coat number 2. And here is coat number 3. Okay, while that's drying, I think what we're going to do is stamp a little design on the nails. We'll get around to the other hand eventually. And I thought I would use this Uber Chic plate. Uber Chic plate 8-02. And I love this image over here. And we are just going to use a white stamping polish. Born Pretty, this is a white stamping polish, not a liquid peel-off tape. Don't ask me why it says that. I'm going to scrape with my Fab Your Nails scraper, and I've got one of my rectangle clear stampers. It too is from Born Pretty, however it was not part of this. It was a gift to me. Shout out to Shorty. Scrape once. Pick up. Beautiful. And I want to do that's pretty. I'm just going to finish this up. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this quick little peek at some of the new Born Pretty store polishes, and I hope you'll go and take a look at them. I will make sure to have the link down in the information box below, and if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to subscribe, I'd really appreciate that. Share it with your friends. Send them on over here. Got any questions? Shoot them down below in the comments area. And I will have all the information, like I said, down in the information box. So until the next time that we get together, you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.